So hi, what's up you guys, it's Maher and welcome back to my channel where I post art tutorials, challenges and time lapse. In today's video I'm gonna use Draw Free Generate on Google. It's completely free. I will leave the link down below as well as my Instagram. So today I tried this generator many times, but this time I got Slender Man as a fairy. Kinda crazy, but we have to draw him. I tried my best. So anyway, here I'm taking a screenshot of what I got to put it near my art, okay? There is the phone version which is better than this one, but also you can use this one if you are drawing with your computer. I'm drawing with my touchpad of my laptop. I really enjoy drawing on the phone because I feel more relaxed using my finger touch screen. But anyway, I want to draw with computer and with a touchpad to get like a kind of practice. So let us jump into the time lapse, okay? So in the time lapse I use many examples I see on Google of Slenderman and the fairy. And Slenderman actually is a scary character. Honestly, I don't know him before. So he's a scary character as I have seen the picture. He don't have eyes, mouth or nose. He have 4 hidden hands behind him and he is dressed in a suit. So it was kinda hard to make like a very beautiful fairy as a Slender Man. Like what is this, okay? So I'm doing the wings because almost every fairy has wings. So I want to represent that he is a fairy. But then I changed the pose because I feel like it's not realistic, yeah? This came much better. And on the other side, I tried to draw 4 hands, these black creepy hands behind him to make him creepy more. And I also added a background using the hardline brush, and I used the glowing brush to add some dots near the hands to make some magic, like you know, a fairy and magic. So yeah, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you enjoy it, please like, comment and subscribe to get notified of all my videos when I post them. Bye.